The English word pickle comes from Dutch or German, meaning water with salt, and is used to refer to all preserved vegetables, including pickling, brining, marinating, and curing. In American English, the term pickle is most often used to refer to pickled cucumbers. Historically, pickling, brining, marinating and curing vegetables have been one of the main foods of winter in cold countries and an indispensable appetizer for every household. The first pickled foods date back to 2030 BC when the Mesopotamians had mastered the art of storing food in pickles. Aristotle and other ancient Greek scholars advocated the use of pickled cucumbers as a health remedy. Julius Caesar made it a military food to strengthen his soldiers, and Cleopatra regarded it as one of her beauty secrets. During the Age of Exploration, pickles, including pickled cucumbers, became an essential part of the seafaring experience. One of the sellers of pickles was Amerigo Vespucci, after whom the United States is named. By the end of the 18th century, pickled cucumbers were almost universally available in the U.S. By the end of the 19th century and the beginning of the 20th century, pickled cucumbers were being sold in the New York City by Jewish immigrants, originally from Eastern Europe, and they made pickled cucumbers a truly popular delicacy. In 1949, the U.S. Pickle Packers Union petitioned for November 14th to be celebrated as National Pickle Day. Since then, it's been celebrated for 70 years now, even with its own theme song, the Korean-style pickled cucumbers. As we introduced in today's Uncle Seoul, can be stored for a long time without a vacuum seal. You can easily take a few pickles at a time and toss to make a sweet, sour, and crunchy appetizer. The cucumbers are low in calories, rich in fiber, and rich in vitamins. vitamins A, B, C, E, making them a good choice for skincare and weight loss.
英文 pickle 一词源于荷兰语，获得于本意为盐水，用以指代一切咸菜、腌菜或泡菜。而在美式英文中，提及 pickle 大多时候指的就是腌黄瓜。在历史上，咸菜、腌菜或泡菜是寒冷国家冬日里的主要食物之一，也是每家每户不可或缺的开胃小菜。最早的腌制食物可以追溯到公元前2030年，美索不达米亚人已经掌握了用腌制的方法来储藏食物的技术。以亚里士多德为代表的古希腊学者大力倡导食用具有健康疗效的腌黄瓜，凯撒大帝将腌黄瓜定位军用食品以加强士兵体质，埃及艳后将腌黄瓜视为自己的美容秘密之一。航海时代，包括腌黄瓜在内的腌菜成为出海的必备食品，而其中一位贩卖腌菜的就是 Amerigo Vespucci， 美国的名字正是取自这位航海家之名。至18世纪末，腌黄瓜在美国基本普及。在19世纪末20世纪初，原先生活于东欧，后来迁入纽约城的犹太移民让腌黄瓜在美国成为一道炙手可热的美食。1949年，美国腌菜包装工会申请将每年11月14日定为全美腌黄瓜日，至今已有70年的历史，而这个节日甚至还有独属自己的主题曲。今天 Uncle Soul 为大家介绍的韩式小菜是先腌后拌。韩式腌黄瓜无需真空储存，而且能保存很长时间，每次取出适量，凉拌后可以快速做出一道酸甜爽脆的开胃菜。由于热量超低，纤维丰富且富含维生素 A、B、C、E， 黄瓜是养颜瘦身的佳品。